Have you ever imagined a world where farming is virtually hands-free? China's automated farming is turning this vision into reality, redefining how we grow food. From intelligent greenhouses to robotic apple pickers, China is using groundbreaking technologies to enhance efficiency, lower costs, and revolutionize agriculture. Don't miss out on discovering how these innovations are changing the face of farming across China. Hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay informed about the latest breakthroughs in cutting-edge tech.
China's automated farming is setting a new standard for agricultural efficiency with the development of a cutting-edge vegetable cultivation line in Shanghai. Engineer Peng Tigua has achieved a monumental breakthrough by designing a system that automates the entire cultivation process, from sowing the seeds to harvesting the crops. This technology drastically reduces labor costs, improving the bottom line for farmers. What's even more remarkable is the 90% reduction in operational costs, making it not just a technological marvel but an economically viable solution for scaling up production. With automated systems overseeing every aspect of cultivation, including lighting, irrigation, and temperature control, this innovation allows farmers to focus on higher-level tasks while the machines handle the labor. Northwest China has long been known for its challenging agricultural conditions. However, with the advent of intelligent greenhouses, farmers are now able to grow crops with ease, even in harsh environments. These high-tech structures utilize advanced sensors and controllers that monitor everything from humidity and temperature to soil conditions. This system can make real-time adjustments automatically or allow farmers to tweak settings through their smartphones or computers. The greenhouse in Shaanxi province is a prime example of this shift. It integrates a variety of technologies, including lighting, sensors, ventilation systems, and automated irrigation, all controlled by a single device. This hands-off approach frees up time for farmers and significantly reduces the need for manual labor. Drones have become an essential tool in central China's spring farming, specifically in Huaxian County, Hunan Province. These drones, equipped with multispectral technology, are capable of capturing detailed images of crops, enabling farmers to make informed decisions about their fields. With the ability to analyze plant health, detect disease, monitor growth patterns, and assess soil conditions, drones help farmers optimize every aspect of field management. The precision of these drones allows for a level of accuracy that was previously unattainable with traditional farming methods. Farmers no longer need to spend hours walking through fields to check on crops or manually assess the health of their plants. Instead, they can receive real-time data through the drone's monitoring system, leading to better targeted interventions. Apple harvesting is a critical task during peak seasons, and in Luochuan County, Shaanxi Province, robotic apple pickers are changing the game. Known as one of China's largest apple-growing regions, Luochuan is embracing this new technology to address labor shortages and increase harvesting efficiency. Traditionally, apple picking was a labor-intensive process that required a large workforce. With the introduction of robotic harvesters, this task has been significantly streamlined. These machines are equipped with sensors and AI systems that can identify ripe apples, gently pick them from the trees, and sort them according to quality and size. The robots can harvest faster than human workers and perform the sorting process simultaneously, reducing both the time and labor required. In Jiangxi Province, the use of smart farming technologies has dramatically transformed vegetable cultivation, particularly in the mountainous Jinsi County. Over the past few years, the local government has implemented high-tech farming systems that enable the cultivation of vegetables on slopes once considered barren and unsuitable for farming. These innovations include advanced greenhouses, automated irrigation systems, and soil sensors that monitor and adjust conditions in real time. By integrating these technologies, farmers can grow crops in harsh, high-altitude environments where traditional farming would have been nearly impossible. Not only have these efforts improved crop yields, but they have also enhanced the quality of the produce, making it possible for vegetables to be sold to consumers both nationally and internationally. Xinjiang, known as one of the largest cotton-producing regions in China, is also at the forefront of implementing smart farming practices. Farmers in this region have adopted a combination of robotics, AI, and satellite systems to enhance cotton production. Using China's Beidou navigation satellite system, soil sensors, and weather monitors, farmers can track and optimize crop growth conditions. This real-time data allows for precise irrigation, pest control, and fertilization, ensuring that crops are grown under the best possible conditions. The results have been impressive. Cotton yields have increased substantially, from 254 kilograms to 529 kilograms per mu in just a few years. This dramatic improvement is a testament to the power of smart agricultural technologies and how they can revolutionize traditional farming practices. With labor costs rising and environmental concerns mounting, China's investment in high-tech solutions for cotton farming not only boosts productivity but also promotes more sustainable agricultural practices in the region. The pig-rearing industry, once notorious for its inefficiencies and high environmental impact, is undergoing a digital transformation in China. Through the integration of AI, image recognition, and cloud computing, China's pig farms are becoming more efficient, cleaner, and more profitable. Robots now assist with feeding, waste management, and monitoring the health of the pigs, allowing farmers to reduce labor costs and increase productivity. AI systems track each pig's growth and health, alerting farmers to any potential issues before they escalate. The use of these technologies has significantly reduced the environmental impact of pig farming by optimizing feed usage and waste management. This shift from traditional, messy pig farms to clean, efficient, and tech-driven operations is not only improving profitability for farmers but also setting a new standard for the industry. China's younger generation is actively contributing to the growth of automated farming, as evidenced by the recent AI-based smart farming competition. In this competition, students used AI and digital technologies to cultivate a new variety of lettuce, demonstrating the potential for innovation in agriculture. These students not only applied their theoretical knowledge but also tackled real-world farming problems, such as optimizing plant growth in different conditions and reducing the environmental footprint of cultivation. In the arid regions of Xinjiang, where traditional farming is often a challenge due to extreme conditions, robots are stepping in to make desert cultivation more feasible. Specifically, the cultivation of opossum, a plant used for its medicinal properties, has been enhanced by intelligent robots. These robots, designed to plant seeds with high precision, work autonomously, drastically increasing the rate of cultivation in areas that were previously too harsh for traditional farming. In just one day, a human can plant about 1 mu of land, while these robots can cover up to 15 mu.